Power play. B.R. Patil's purported call is now viral. Now, this call is on the Chief Minister's rise and internal rift within Karnataka. In fact, he has spoken of the lack of progress, saying development is taking a back seat. Listen in to this viral clip.
ನಾನು ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಗಾಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗಾಡು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಾದರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So you heard what B.R. Patil is heard saying, and he is making these claims at a time when the Congress party is trying to say all is well. You remember Chief Minister Siddaramaiah had also put up a show of unity with D.K. Shivkumar. He in fact held D.K. Shivkumar's hand and said all is well.
ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಲಾಟ್ರಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆದ. ನಾನು ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಗಾಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗಾಡು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಾದರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My colleague Neha Hebale is live on the broadcast with the details. Neha, what is this conversation about?
Well, Pratibha, in fact, this here is a clip of MLA B.R. Patil there that's now going viral, wherein, of course, he's heard saying that he was the one who actually introduced Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to, in fact, the Rahul Gandhi, and it was, in fact, because of the alignment of his stars that, he got lucky, he hit the lottery, and he became the Chief Minister. Of course, remember, we've also seen Chief Minister Siddaramaiah now responding to this, saying that, what is he expected to do of this? Both of them were MLAs at the same time. Now, of course, with all of these developments that have been taking place already and the political churn in the state of Karnataka, you also have this conversation now, which is set to be, from KR Pet in Mandya. It's a viral video there of the MLA that's going viral while he's on a phone call with someone else on the other line. He also, of course, further goes on to add that his fortunes might not have been as great, that there's neither a godfather nor god nor father, referring to Siddaramaiah's luck, of course, of having become the Chief Minister.
Okay, all right. Neha, thank you for joining us with those details. So B.R. Patil making that phone conversation, which has now gone viral, and this puts the Congress party in a spot yet again.
ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಲಾಟ್ರಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆದ. ನಾನು ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಗಾಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗಾಡು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಾದರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So interesting timing of this conversation or this clip that has gone viral, because it comes at a time when the Congress party in Karnataka is already battling a clear divide. In fact, sources say that there is a clear divide within the Congress party with two camps, one of the Chief Minister and the second of the Deputy Chief Minister, a Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar camp. And these MLAs have also been making statements time and again that have put the Congress party in a spot. With that, let's get you more breaking updates.